Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we're gonna talk about the Rode VideoMicro. So and guys, there's one friend of mine asked regarding the Rode VideoMicro is still good to buy in 2024. So for me, it said yes, and it depends on your style of shoot. For example, if you are shooting in a vlog and if you want to use only your mobile or compact camera like I have here, the Sony ZV-1 or the G7X or ZV-1 Mark I, or any compact camera that you use for your vlogging, then this is the best microphone that I can suggest, the Rode VideoMicro. So again, this is small, and yeah, this is the size of the Rode VideoMicro without the dead cut, because sometimes I don't use the dead cut. I use only the dead cut on outdoor. But and guys, so this is how fit to your Sony ZV-1, and I use always on my vlog. And instead I'm using a wireless microphone, I use my Rode VideoMicro always on my cameras, especially if I want to hear you the ambient sound. So for example, I'm outdoor and I want to again to have an ambient sound. So I use a shotgun microphone, which is the Rode VideoMicro. I have also two shotgun microphone, but instead I use this micro because it's smaller compared for my two other shotgun microphone. So and it fits well from your microphone, and I think this is still the good to buy in 2024. So again guys, if you are searching for a perfect microphone, shotgun microphone for your compact camera, especially now most of our user vloggers, they have compact cameras. Still, this is the best shotgun microphone in the market. So either you have ZV-10, ZV-10 Mark II is coming now, G7X Mark III, V10, or any compact camera, Z30, and Fuji cameras, XT30. Yeah, this is the best microphone. It's not it's perfect from the size of your compact camera. So again guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the Rode microphone, Rode VideoMicro, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the Rode products that we have here available in AB World, again, visit our website www.abworld.com. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, this Rode VideoMicro is still perfect, or if you have, it's good to add in your camera bag. Yes, this is the best accessories in 2024. Still, you need the Rode VideoMicro. Even if you have wireless microphone, still I have wireless microphone, and I have also this Rode VideoMicro. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay. So yan guys, I'm using the Rode VideoMicro with my Sony ZV-1. Yeah, so it's perfect from the size of on my camera, and yeah, it's no hassle, and just plug and play, then you can vlog direct. So again, this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMicro, and I will not do any adjustment for editing. What you hear is the raw audio from the Rode VideoMicro. So again guys, if you are thinking to purchase a Rode VideoMicro, it's still good to buy in 2024 for your compact camera. So